Why citations remain critical to SEO survival. These activities will all give you alternative ways to build your reputation's visibility and traffic. They also give you the best chance that your site will be sending out the types of signals that search engines want to discover and value anyway. It's a popularity held belief that the link graph is broken. This post will explore the roots of the problems and why it is such a tough problem for Google and Bing to resolve. It all started with the original at the time they were developing this concept. The leading search engines of the time were almost dependent on keyword analysis of the content on your page to determine rankings. Spammers had so thoroughly assaulted this model that change had become an imperative, lest the concept of a search engines go the way of the couples of key sentences at the beginning of the thesis. The citation graph of the web is an important resource that has largely gone unused in existing web search engines. We have created maps containing as many as 518 million of these hyperlinks, a significant sample of the total. These maps allow rapid calculation of a web page's PageRank, an objective measure of its citation importance that corresponds well with people's subjective idea of importance. Because of this, corresponding PageRank is an excellent way to prioritize the result of web keyword search. The concept of a citation is a critical one to understand why. Let's step away from the web and consider the example of an academic research paper which might include citation in them that look like this. Placement in this list is normally made by the writer of the paper to acknowledge major sources they reference during the creation of their paper. If you did a study of all the papers on a given topic area, you could fairly easily identify the most important ones because they would have the most citation by other papers. Using a technique like the PageRank algorithm, you could build a citation graph where each of these words were not counted equally. And just like the PageRank algorithm, you could apply the algorithm recursively to identify the most important papers. The reasons this work well in the academic citations environment are small scale. The number of papers in a given academic space is reasonably finite. You might have hundreds or thousands of documents, not millions. No incentive to spam. You cannot really buy a citation placement in an academic paper if you were